Hello guys, welcome to Biology at your fingertips. So before starting the video, I request every one of you to please subscribe my channel. So let's get into the video. So we shall see zoology answer key of Neet 2024 exam. So your first question would be, which of the following is not a natural or traditional contraceptive method? So your correct answer would be option number 3, waltz. Question number 152. Match list 1 with list 2. So common cold would be rhinovirus, whereas hemozoin, plasmodium, viral test, typhoid, allergy, dust mite. So your correct option would be option number 2. Question number 153. Which of the following statements is correct? Which of the following statements is incorrect? So the correct option would be option number 2. Question number 154. Which of the following is an autoimmune disorders? So the correct option would be option number 1. Question number 155. Match list 1 with list 2. So Down's syndrome would be 21st chromosome. Alpha thalassemia 16th chromosome. Beta thalassemia 11th chromosome. Klinefelter syndrome X chromosome. So correct option would be option number 2. Question number 156. Match list 1 with list 2. So your correct option would be option number 3, that is non-medicated lupus loop, copper releasing multi-load 375, hormone releasing LNG20, implants would be progesterone. Question number 157. Match list 1 with list 2. So your correct option would be option number 1, that is Pleurobrachia ctenophora, Radula mollusca, Stomacod hemichordata, air bladder osteichthyes. So your next question 158. So question number 158. Which of the following factors are favorable for the formation of oxyhemoglobin in alveoli? So your correct option would be option number 1. Next question number 159. Match list 1 with list 2. Your correct option is option number 3. So cocaine is erythroxylum, heroin is papaver, morphine effective sedative, whereas marijuana is cannabis. Question number 160. Match list 1 with list 2. Your correct option is option number 2. Diakinesis, completion of terminalization of chiasmata, Pakitine, appearance of recombination nodules, zygotine, synoptimal complex formation, leptotine, chromosomes look like thin threads. Question number 161. Match list 1 with list 2. Your correct option is option number 3. Fibrous joints, skull don't allow any movement. Cartilaginous joint, it's 1. Then hinge joint, knee. Ball and socket joint, humerus and pectoral girdle. Question number 162. Which of the following is not a steroidal hormone? Correct option would be option number 3. Now, question number 163. In both sexes of cockroach, a pair of jointed filamentous structures called anal cerci are present on. So, correct option is option number 1. Next question number 164. Given below are two statements. So the first statement, FSH acts upon ovarian follicles in male and Leydig cells in male. Growing ovarian follicles secrete estrogen in female, while interstitial cells secrete androgen in male human being. So your correct option would be option number 3. Correct option would be option number 3, which is A is false but R is true. Question number 165. Match list 1 with list 2. So your correct option would be option number 4. Question number 166. 3 types of muscles are given. Identify the correct matching. So your correct option would be option number 1. So this is skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and this is cardiac muscle. Question number 167. Match list 1 with list 2. Your correct option would be option number 2, which is lipase is ester bond, nuclease phosphodiester bond, protease is peptide bond, amylase is glycosidic bond. Question number 168. The flippers of penguins and dolphins are the example of. Correct option would be option number 2, convergent evolution. So next question. Following are the stages of cell division. Choose the correct sequence of stages from the options given below. So your correct option would be option number 3. Question number 170. Which one of the following factors will not affect the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? Your correct option would be option number 3, constant gene pool. Question number 171. Statement 1 and statement 2 are given. So your correct option would be option number 2. Question number 172. Match list 1 with list 2. So your correct option would be option number 1, that is typhoid bacteria. Then B would be protozoan. Then ringworm fungus, whereas filariasis is nematode. Question number 173. Given below are some stages of human evolution. Arrange them in the correct sequence from past to recent. So correct option would be option number 3. Question number 174. Which of the following is not a component of fallopian tube? So your correct option is option number 4, uterine fundus. Question number 175. Consider the following statements. So correct option would be option number 1. A is only correct. Next, match list 1 with list 2. So your correct option would be option number 3, that is axoneme, cilia and flagella, cartwheel pattern centriole, then cristae is mitochondria, satellite is a chromosome. Question number 177. Match list 1 with list 2. Your correct option is option number 1, which is pterophyllum, angelfish, mixin, hagfish, prestis, sawfish, exocetus, flying fish. Question number 178. Match list 1 with list 2. Your correct option would be option number 1. Pons connects different regions of the brain. Hypothalamus neurosecretory cells. Medulla is controls respiration. Cerebellum provides additional space for neurons. Question number 179. The following diagram showing restriction sites in E. coli cloning vector PBR322. Find the role of X and Y. So your correct option would be option number 1. Question number 180. Given below are two statements. So your correct option would be option number 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Question number 181. Assertion and reason are given. So your correct answer would be option number 4. Question number 182. Following are the stages of pathway of conduction of an action potential through the heart. So your correct option would be option number 4. Question number 183. Which of the following correct product of DNA dependent RNA polymerase to the given template? So your correct option would be option number 4. Match list 1 with list 2. Correct option would be option number 2. Alpha 1 antitrypsin is emphysema, whereas Cry1 AB corn borer, Cry1 AC cotton bollworms, enzyme replacement therapy, adenosine deaminase deficiency. Question number 185. The TI plasmid of Actobacterium tumefaciens stands for Option number 2, tumor inducing plasmid. So now let's move on to the section B. So your question number 186, match list 1 with list 2. Your correct option would be option number 1, that is P wave, depolarization of atria, QRS complex, depolarization of ventricles. Then T wave would be repolarization of ventricles. T and P gap would be heart muscles are electrically silent. So question number 187, statement 1 and 2 are given. So your correct option would be option number 3. Question number 188, two statements are given. Your correct option would be option number 2. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Question number 189, choose the correct statement given below regarding juxtamedullary nephron. So your correct option would be option number 2, that is loop of Henle of juxtamedullary nephron runs deep into the medulla. So your question number 180, match list 1 with list 2. So your correct option would be option number 3, that is exophthalmic goiter, hypersecretion of thyroid. Then acromegaly would be excessive secretion of growth hormone. Cushing's syndrome, excess secretion of cortisol. Then cretinism would be hyposecretion. So your question number 191, match list 1 with list 2. Your correct option would be option number 2, which is unicellular glandular epithelium is goblet cells. Compound epithelium is moist surface of buccal cavity. Then multicellular glandular would be salivary glands. Endocrine glandular epithelium would be option number 2, pancreas. Question number 192, match list 1 with list 2. Your correct option would be option number 3, which is RNA polymerase 2. snRNA, termination of transcription would be rho factor. Splicing of exons would be snRNPs, whereas starter box would be a promoter. So your correct option would be option number 3. Question number 193, the correct option is option number 4. Question number 194, regarding catalytic cycle of an enzyme action, select the correct sequential steps. So your correct option would be option number 4. Question number 195, the following are the statements about non-chordates. So your correct option would be option number 2. B, D and E are correct. Question number 196, match list 1 with list 2. Your correct option would be option number 4. So A would be 4, then B2, C3 and D is 1. Question number 187, two statements are given. So your correct option would be option number 2. So your next question, that is question number 198, match list 1 with list 2. So your correct option would be option number 3, which is Mesozoic era is birds and reptiles, and then B would be 1, then Cenozoic would be mammals, then Paleozoic era would be fish and amphibian. So your next question number 199, as per ABO blood grouping system, the blood group of father is B positive, mother is A positive and child is O positive. Their respective genotype can be. So the correct option would be option number 4. Option number 4 is correct. Then question number 200, given below are two statements. Statement 1, bone marrow is the main lymphoid organ where all blood cells including lymphocytes are produced. This is a correct statement. Both bone marrow and thymus provide microenvironments for the development and maturation of T lymphocytes. This is also a correct statement. So your correct option would be option number 4. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video.